guys, this is Diaz. Everyone, welcome to Time for Learning channel. Today we are going to learn about the Little Tramp's biography. I think all are know. Okay, let's see the detailed video. Once again, before we see the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Okay, let's see the video. I have a question. Who is the Little Tramp? Here is the answer. The world-famed comic actor Mr. Charlie Chaplin is a little tramp. Let's see his biography. Charlie Chaplin was born on 16 April 1889 to Hannah Chaplin and Charles Chaplin Sr. Hannah, the daughter of a shoemaker, and Charles Sr., a butcher's son, was a popular singer. Charlie Chaplin, when he was 7 years old, his father provided no financial support and his mother had no income. At that situation, Charlie Chaplin was sent to Lambeth workhouse due to his family condition. Charlie Chaplin stayed the Central London District School for Paupers by the council, which he remembered as a forlorn existence. Charlie Chaplin reunited with his mother after 18 months. In September 1898, Hannah was committed to Can Hill Mental Asylum. She had developed a psychosis seemingly brought by an infection of syphilis and malnutrition. At that time, Charlie Chaplin and his brother stayed with his father. He is a severe alcoholic. Charlie Chaplin's father was died due to the reason of cirrhosis of liver at the age of 38. Being Hannah is recovered, but unfortunately she became ill again in May 1903. At that time, he lived alone a few days. He searched for food and sleeping rough until Sydney, who had joined the Navy 2 years earlier, returned. Hannah was recovered as from the asylum after 8 months, but her illness returned permanently in March 1905. Charlie Chaplin became a member of 8th Lancashire Lads Clock dancing troupe. He worked hard and his act was popular with audience. But he is not satisfied with dancing and he wished to act a comedian. In the age of 13, Charlie Chaplin abandoned their education and he is very focused to achieve an ambition to become an actor. At the age of 14, Charlie Chaplin registered theatrical agency in London's West End. The manager noticed his talent, who was immediately given his first role as a newsboy in Harry Arthur Sandbury's Jim, a Romance of Cocaine. It opened in July 1903, but it was unsuccessful, and after 2 weeks it was closed. But Charlie Chaplin's comic performance got many positive reviews. Charlie Chaplin found work with a new company soon, and he began continuing an acting career in a comedy sketch called Repairs. In May 1906, he joined the juvenile act Cassie's Circus, where he developed popular burlesque pieces, and he was become a star of the show. He was scouted by the film industry and began working for Keystone Studios in 1914. Charlie Chaplin quickly adapted the tramp identity and impressed a large fan base. He directed his own films and continued to improve his skills while working for SNA, Mutual and First National corporations. Charlie Chaplin was one of the most well-known people in the world by 1918. Charlie Chaplin co-founded United Artists, a distribution business that granted him unlimited control over his films in 1919. His first feature-length film was The Kid in 1921, followed by A Woman of Paris in 1923, in 1925 The Gold Rush, and The Circus in 1928. He refused to move his sound films at initial stage in the 1930s. Instead producing City Lights 1931 and Modern Time in 1936 without dialogue. Charlie Chaplin's first sound film was The Great Dictator in 1940. Due to some reason, Chaplin United States and settled in Switzerland. Charlie Chaplin wrote, directed, produced, edited, starred in, and composed the music for most of his films. Charlie Chaplin's health had declined to the point where he needed constant care. By October 1977, Charlie Chaplin died at home on the morning of December 25, 1977, after suffering a stroke while sleeping. He was 88 years old when he died. According to his wishes, the funeral was small and private Anglican ceremony on December 27, 1977. Okay guys, I hope you all got Charlie Chaplin's biography on this video. If you like this video, just click the hit button and share it with everyone. Drop in your feedback in comment section and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will see you again in next video. Thank you. Bye dears.